Welcome to the next question on the Power BI certification question series, and this is related to data processing. So here is the question: in Power BI desktop, where you can find the anomalies or issues in the data. First option is in the model view, in the report view, in the query editor view, or in the data view. So based on your experience, if you have the answer, write it down in the comments below, or if you don't know, then I will suggest that you do a bit of a research. And along with that, this question, what I have done is I have compiled the entire 60 question series, which is available using the link that is present in the description. You can buy this, practice it, and test your skills into a mock paper of this Power BI certification exam. So I hope it will going to give you a lot of help in terms of passing your exam and testing your skills into the Power BI. So all of this details are present in the description, so make sure you check out all the links and the information, and make sure you join my group where I announce a lot of new courses and such details in more details. With that, thank you so much. I'll meet you in the new video with a new topic.